Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You already have your photos and captions ready. Now open Preview or Instagram Drafts and import your best images. Start arranging them in the order you think will work and try a quick visual sweep to check flow. Once done, add tentative captions and group relevant hashtags into saved sets so you can reuse them. Make sure to set your target posting times, because planning posts by time helps you judge balance across the grid more accurately. Now focus on the middle steps. Reorder images by dragging them until you like the previewed grid rhythm and zoom in to crop for consistent framing. Edit one master photo, then apply matching adjustments to the rest so color and contrast match across the feed. Add captions and tags thoughtfully, put line breaks or emojis for readability, and either schedule posts or save drafts. This prevents surprises and preserves the aesthetic when you publish later. Finish by reviewing every caption, hashtag set, and tag placement. Read aloud so errors stand out. Once verified, schedule or post the first item and inspect it on your profile to ensure spacing and crop appear as expected. If something looks off after publishing, don't panic. Revert to your saved draft, re-upload, or reorder images and republish. Make sure your app is updated and clear cache if previews freeze. This keeps your feed cohesive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.